South by Southwest. This is a big week, but first, no, I'm not even gonna rewind. I'm just gonna go right into it.
Sam Parr. There's so many people. Wow, this meetup is gonna be cool.
Oh my gosh, hello! Wow, can I do an interview with you?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Say your name and what is this meetup you're hosting tonight?
Alice, and I'm new to Austin, and I'm hosting the My First Million fan club.
What made you want to do this? I think it's so cool that you're doing this, Alice. What made you want to host the My First Million meetup?
I want that community around me. If I don't have that community, I don't feel at home. So I moved here last month, and first thing I did was to start a My First Million fan club.
I think it's genius. Thank you for doing it. We need more community like that.
Yeah, thank you, Nick, and thank you so much for your book.
Thank you for reading it.
So not everyone's got a name tag.
I love it. Hey, that's my friend Maddie and this guy from Amsterdam, an Indian guy. I love Indian people. The host used this software called River. They're at www.getriver.io to host these fan meetups for the My First Million and other communities. I love these fan-powered communities. Mike, quick shout out for your business. Will you say a little bit about it?
Yeah, so I teach brands how to build in-house influencer marketing programs.
And this is Mike Newton. Mike's one of my good friends here in Austin. Favorite Nick Gray vlog guest, Paul Millard, is here. Paul's got a big fan club amongst my viewers. Paul, how was your meetup today?
It was great. This is probably my sixth Nick event. We did not do the icebreakers.
You didn't do the icebreakers. Paul, I gotta go. I'm out of here. Bye.
But I was actively moving people around, connecting people.
Good.
Did the name tags.
Good.
And we took the group picture.
The photo was great, though. I thought you did a good
angle.
job.
We had somebody up on a picnic table. It was good.
Yeah. Great work for the photo.
Multiple time video person here by the 2-hour cocktail party. Huge fan.
Thank you, Paul. Somebody said something so cool. This guy hosted several parties and has built a business around it in Phoenix, Arizona. And I'm going to go do an interview with him to learn about how my book, I think he even said that it changed his life.
This man's book completely changed my life. As of 7 or 8 months ago, I started hosting events in Phoenix and have grown my personal community, professional community, and again, the book completely reframed my thoughts around how important building an in real life community and network really is.
So I do TED Taco Tuesdays. We watch TED Talks and make tacos. But when we're watching TED Talks, sometimes it's like, okay, you guys, enough discussion, time to move on to the next TED Talk. But it's hard to say, like, guys, shut up. But like, you know, right? Blow the harmonica, and everyone's like, "Oh, that's cool. All right, let's do another thing."
The harmonica is a easy way to cut off existing conversations that is not yelling above the group. Hey, everybody, shut up!
Yes,
we have to do this. Okay.
Personally, hosting TED Talk Tuesday opens me up to permission to meet and have in my life anyone I want to have in my life.
That's the power of hosting. That he knows that when you host events, you can create those relationships. I love that you said that. You know it. It's hard for me to convince people of that and tell them, but I'm like, trust me, once you start to host, people will just start to fall into your life. Where you'll meet somebody. Thanks for hosting. Thanks for being a community member that's really bringing people together. That's so powerful.
Yeah, dude. Loved your book.
Thank you for saying that. Neville, what are your South by Southwest pro tips? As someone who's lived in Austin for a long time, how can somebody make it the best experience?
I've been so many times, and here's the thing. If you're actually going to the convention center to see someone you really want to see talk, get there early, and they're just standing around, standing in the front of the room, waiting, and people just sit in the chairs and stare at them. Yes. And no one talks to them. And so I'll go up and be like, hey, my name is Neville. I'm talking high-end people will be like, oh my God, they're so happy to talk to you because it's just awkward. But if you wait till the end, everyone swamps them. You're not getting your picture. You're not getting to talk to them. Go beforehand.
I'm so happy that this event happened tonight. Having all these people here that I got to meet and mix and mingle with, seeing my friends and connecting about a topic during this crazy week. Well, now I'm going to Andrew Yeung's event, so I gotta hustle. Let's go. This house is located right near downtown for founders and other entrepreneurs to gather and, frankly, just mix and mingle and party.
This is Andrew.
Dude, I'm at this party and it's crazy.
Awesome, guys. Okay, nice.
We're gonna get a tour from Andrew here. This is of the house. We're with Andrew Yeung. We're gonna link him up, host extraordinaire, as he takes over Austin, Texas for South by Southwest. Hello, pardon us.
There, a musician there earlier.
Wow.
And then we got the skyline.
Oh my God, this skyline, this view. Incredible.
We got
We're-
yoga here in the morning.
People are doing yoga, right?
Yeah, yoga here in the morning and cold plunge.
Oh,
the pool.
amazing. Dude, what a great setup. This house can have a lot of people.
Fits a lot of people. Right now we have about 50. Okay? I think we can go up to like 70 probably, 70, 80.
That's fantastic.
Coolest thing is we have an F1 simulator up there. So
Really?
you can race, and the winner gets 2 tickets to the Grand Prix.
Who sponsored that?
This company called V-Up. V-Up, they're awesome.
Really cool.
Fastest lap.
Fastest lap
Gets
gets
2
the
free
time.
tickets. Yeah.
What is the name of your business? You are an independent free agent now. Your business is called what? Do you have a name for it?
I run most of the events under like just my name, my
Yeah.
brand, but the official company name is Andrew's Mixers.
Andrew's Mixers.
Yeah.
What's the 1 second when you meet somebody, what do you say you do?
I used to work at Google and Facebook, and I quit to throw parties for tech CEOs, founders, and investors.
That's good. I like that. All right, let's go party.
Yeah.
This is so cool to see all these people here. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty awesome.
This is that real F1 racer game that he was talking about. It looks way better than a video game.
The neat thing about these parties is they're literally right in my backyard. I rode like 3 minutes here. The other party was a minute away from me. When South by Southwest happens in Austin, we get all of these events and all of these people come to town. And it can be a little bit hard because all these people are hitting you up and there's all these events and it's stressful. But at the end of the day, I got to meet and talk to so many people tonight. And that's what I love. I love these random conversations with people. Will you do me a favor? Will you leave me a comment or just reply to this post and say hello? I love making these videos because it feels like we're friends and that we get to hang out together. So that makes me happy. Watch my video and now we're hanging out. All right, more to come. Tomorrow, I have such a big event. I cannot wait to show it to you. I will see you tomorrow.